What is original Medicare? Original Medicare is really Medicare Part A and B. And Part A is basically hospital coverage for simplicity's sake, and Part B is your outpatient care. Part A is covered by your payroll tax that you paid when you were working, and Part B, you will pay a premium no matter what you do with your Medicare. So that is Medicare. Now, what is the downside and upside of Medicare? Well, the good side of Medicare is that you have complete flexibility and control of your healthcare. You can go see any doctor that accepts Medicare in any city, and you have total control and freedom. And in fact, all the decisions regarding your healthcare will be made by you and the doctor. When you want to look at the downside of Medicare, you really have to think about the 20% or so that often is not covered, which will leave you exposed to potentially unlimited financial exposure. So that's really the downside, and that's probably why most people have a hard time sticking with original Medicare Part A and B. While it gives you total control, total flexibility, you can see any doctor, you can go into any network for the most part that accepts Medicare. Theoretically, if you were to get super sick, you could wind up with a huge medical bill for the 20% or so, depending, that is not covered. So because of that, I think most people look for something to cover that sort of unlimited financial downside.